Hello everyone. Welcome to another live here on our channel. How is everyone doing today? How are you guys doing? The markets are crazy. We can see that. Yep. So, how is everybody? Are you ready for today's trading setups? Hi. It's great to have you all here. Nice to see you all. Alrighty, so Nasdaq is going up. Look at this bullish engulfing. Oh my god, that would have been an amazing trade. I know that my students know this, how to trade this one. Even with the stop loss will have been somewhere there around 40 to 35 pips. Oh, that could have resulted as an amazing trade. So what we're gonna do on Nasdaq today, based on this formation, the market is in an uptrend. 15-minute chart is approaching this area of resistance. For me, I'm very bullish. I'm going to be bullish on this session, to be honest. We see lower lows here, but it looks like the buyers wants to step in. Anyway, I'm going to wait for a retracement. Nice retracement. See how aggressive our buyers. Buyers are super aggressive here. See how aggressive they are. Hi all, thanks for joining us today, guys. Honestly, it's nice to see you around. So the plan for today is to go long on Nasdaq. If you are skillful traders, yeah, but it can also short it, but with the understanding of how the market can potentially move. Gold. Look at this. I recorded a video today for my social media, for Instagram actually, and the video didn't published yet, but it will be soon. And I talked about how bearish I will be on gold. And also in my community, I think I posted there, I said that I was looking at gold today. Look at this, the price on gold. Look at this one here, just. So the price made lower lows and lower highs, downtrend, retracement with an uptrending transition here, break of structure, boom, to the downside. Amazing. Textbook trade on gold, textbook trade. Fibonacci from that low to that, from that high to that low. This one here, 61.8, aligns with the inside support, turned into resistance. Failure swing top here, and the market went down. We want to see today a continuation on the gold. but it looks like Nasdaq will show more, will show faster opportunities actually here. I will check the calendar, just bear with me. Let's check the Forex Factory. What do we have today? Only the CPI in Canada lower as expected. Also, I spoke about that and I explained that. Let me show you where we explained that. Every Monday for our members in the school community. For our members, we have, if you see on the calendar here, we do have the market outlook. Okay. And I explain the important news and how they're going to be implemented into the trading. And if you are a VIP member, then you have access to the recordings in the classroom. So that's the live trading with me exclusively for the members. That's the workshops we do every Thursday for the VIP members, which we do workshops here to learn better and master trading. And weekly markets outlook. Here are all the recordings. If you are a premium member, you have access to the recordings. Or if you are a member in the community, you can join me at that time. Now, USD cut. So fundamentally, the Canadian dollar weakened, so the US dollar took advantage of that, obviously, and the US dollar is a strong currency across the board for today. Is developing this uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Back on the Nasdaq. Oh. On the Nasdaq, we have this order block over there. So on Nasdaq, it was a good opportunity to sell the market. I didn't sell anything here, to be honest. I will be looking to see if buyers will step in anywhere here because this is a value area on Nasdaq. This area here. It's a value area. It's where the balance is between buyers and sellers. So I will be looking to get involved on this one. If the price penetrates and goes through easily this level, then I have to make further analysis. Maybe we're gonna go for short positions. Also, there is a rejection here. It can go either way, guys. This one here, okay? Can go either way. Let's see. I will get my platform ready on the phone. Alrighty. Do you guys see any opportunities today in the markets? And the euro US dollar in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs all the way. Here, lower lows, lower highs. It's a bit chubby, but it's in a downtrend. Let's see if Nasdaq will bounce from this area. So, where are you guys watching us from? Which part of the world? Where do you guys live? Are you in the US? Are you in the States? Or are you in Europe? Perhaps in Asia? I'm afraid to ask if you live in Australia and you're awake that time. It's just midnight. Yeah. Okay, so the price is digging down into this level of support, into this zone where the price was in a balanced situation and the market broke through. Let's see if we're going to have a new market structure, and if that will be if that will result to a false breakout for a new market structure. Oh, from Europe and from Canada. So let's see how the price will move in these levels here. So on the 1 minute chart, we see this interaction. If you are using volume analysis, I don't use on TradingView. I have another platform that I'm looking for my volume analysis. Volume analysis is great, and soon I will record some videos. I will add it into the course section. So if you are a member of the community, you're gonna be able to access it. Gold is heavily down, guys. Gold is down. A pin bar formed here, pushed the price to the upside, was enough to create that retracement, and from there the market exactly at the New York open dropped. So from this high to that low, accurately, like a textbook example here. I believe the gold is gonna drop at least to test the support, if not continuing lower. But I don't trade my beliefs, I trade what I see. Price rejected here. See the level of balance on Nasdaq 5-minute chart. This balance level. Hold. Let's see now the price is trying to push through. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sellers are in control. Aggressive sellers. So they picked up the trend from a higher time frame, guys. We will see some sort of reaction here. Definitely we're going to see a sort of reaction, and I believe the price will continue dropping because we didn't expect to have this long rejection right there. It's just 8 minutes before the candle close, and that means the market it's gonna be very bearish on this one. So based on what I see here, I'm ready to change my bias and go with the flow. A pin bar at the top. There is a battle right here. Remember, this level just rejected at the open today, and here we had the daily low, and in my experience, when the price makes a low for the day during the New York session, it will continue it. It won't just leave it like this. We're gonna have a follow through here, guys. Definitely we're gonna have a follow through. If the price will take this low here, we're gonna see a strong move to the downside. It's gonna be hard to take the low, but eventually it will take it. It won't stay there. If the buyers were strong, they wouldn't let the price to move in that sharp downtrend. See this 15-minute time frame, how the price remains between these wicks. Do you think we're gonna have a breakout, or do you think the price will remain there? I think we're gonna have a breakout, guys. I think so. German 40 also drops. Nasdaq, look at this, it came down. It came down here. Buyers trying to push to the upside, but they will fail, they won't make it. So essentially today the market filled up this low volume node on the right. That was Tuesday's, that was the morning's low volume node, and now it continues to with this downtrend. But honestly, for here, if the price closed above this resistance, I will have definitely be looking for long positions. Now I'm gonna go with the flow, and I will get into the sales side. That low is at S2. Any concerns? What do you mean S2? S2? A pivot line or something? It looks like that it will be easier to trade Nasdaq rather than gold today. On the 5-minute chart, oh, look at this pin bar. It's trying to fight this level here. That's the minute chart. Here the market develops strong downtrends. Bearish Marabozu followed by an inside, double inside, bearish engulfing down. This one here, 4 seconds left. I will see that down again. Small bodies, small bodies. This is how usually market react. So I will see that with a further low. Yeah, the pivot point. I will wait for retracement to short, yes. But maybe not a regular retracement, like a deep retracement, because the market is in a strong downtrend. Maybe it's going to put some inside candlesticks only, and then it's going to continue selling off for some time. So bias changed. We are definitely looking to sell here. Gold is down as well. Euro US dollar keeps dropping. Nasdaq looks good. So now we know who drives the market, yeah? Now we know that sellers are in control here. Oh, it gapped. Sterling is very weak. The Great British Pound against the US dollar. Australian dollar. Guys, I said also about the Australian dollar on Monday that it's going to be also on the scope for this week, and we're going to be looking to sell this guy as well, this Aussie. The 4-hour chart now is transiting from higher highs to lower lows, the beginning of the downtrend. Nasdaq on the 4-hour chart formed that bearish engulfing, so we're expecting now that this New York session it's going to be also very bearish. Retracements are part of the trading, but in order to use Fibonacci's for retracements, first we need to confirm a swing low. We need to confirm the turning point, and so far we don't know which one is the turning point. Well, I'm talking about the 5-minute chart. Did you guys trade anything today? Did you get into any setup during the European session? On this minute chart, buyers are looking to push the price higher. Yeah. Guys, do you think buyers will take over? What did you trade on DAX? What did you trade on DAX? Did you buy? Did you sell? I want to see the sellers honestly to take control fast. I'm gonna we start looking for sales here. You sold DAX at the open. So you sold DAX right somewhere here. Yep, somewhere there. Gold slowly is going down. See on the board, everything is red here, guys. Everything is red. Even the oil dropped at the open. See this candlestick? Actually, that's an interesting chart. The US oil is right here at the key demand level at $62. Gold wants to go further down. Nasdaq is nicely dropping. Yep, very nice. Now we want the push. We want the push on the Nasdaq. We want the push here. From this point, we want the sellers. Come on, sellers! Come on. You use the range from 8 to 905. I suppose you're 8 to 905. 8 London time or your time? Ah, you bought at the open. Okay. That's better. Yeah. That's much better. I got a losing trade today on DAX at the open because my plan was to sell based on the structure. I like what I see on the Nasdaq here. I like it. The volatility is insane. Honestly, guys, volatility is insane here. From 13 pips, the average true rate jumped to 41 pips. That's almost 4 times, 3.5 times. Wow, crazy. Hop, come on sellers, come on sellers. You can do it, stay strong. You lost today with USD Japanese yen. You shorted, it took your stop loss about 5 minutes ago. You short USD yen. This one. Okay, you had a reason to sell it. but based on the fundamentals I explained on Monday, yeah, I'm very, very bullish on the US dollar this week, very bullish. So Nasdaq moves as per the structure. Drop more, come on. Come on. Oh, here it comes. Nice and beautiful. Nice and beautiful, guys. So that's a critical area. What I don't want to see is the buyers to make a higher high from here. That's what I don't want to see. Don't make a higher high. This is going to be a critical price action. Wow. Because if it's going to make a higher high, if it's going to be a bullish candlestick, most likely we're going to have a higher high. If it's going to be a bearish candlestick, it's going to be a dark cloud, it can cover the whole range here, and it's going to be a good sign for continuation. So let's see. You know that I love trading bullish engulfing candlesticks, and I prefer it over any other price action, but it has to be in a context. It cannot be just by itself a candlestick. Strong battle here, guys. Very strong battle between buyers and sellers. Yes, there is a bullish engulfing on Nasdaq, but the overall context is the problem on this bullish engulfing. I will not buy a bullish engulfing against the downtrend. I can show you 100 bullish engulfings that they were not worth trading them. Listen to that. I prefer to get a losing trade, trading a bullish engulfing during an uptrend. Let's say that the market was in an uptrend here, higher highs and higher lows all the way. I prefer to trade this bullish engulfing, buy, stop loss, and get a losing trade or a break even, rather than trading a bullish engulfing right here during a downtrend and getting into a winning trade. I don't want that. Not because I don't like winning trade, but because it's a low probability trade that ended as a winning trade. It resulted as a winning trade. So low probability trades and high probability trades will both give us winners and losers. And it's very dangerous for a trader. It's very dangerous to get a winning trade under low quality setups. Very dangerous. Because when you get a losing trade with a high quality setup, you will question your abilities as a trader, yourself. And actually, this is going to be the theme of the workshop we're going to have on Thursday for the VIP members. We're going to discuss the high and low quality setups under different market conditions. So if you are not a member, you know what to do. You can join. All the links are in the description below. By the way, guys, also if you are trading with prop firms, primarily I'm using PropXP, and at the checkout you can apply the discount, the code to get the discount. I think the default now, or what we have today, is 20%, not 25. Maybe it's more, I don't know. You will find it at the checkout. I didn't purchase a challenge today, so I don't know. Gold, move sideways. Is the Chinese New Year now? Lunar New Year 2026. If we have fellows from China here, Happy New Year. Oh, Nasdaq bounced. Nasdaq bounced heavily. I want to start looking for some short positions anytime soon. 0.5%. Yes, Nasdaq getting back to 50% Fibo. This one here. And then 70, we also have a low volume node here, this area, but also this is equally important. Guys, what are you trading? Anyone here trade something today? We didn't spot it. We didn't spot yet. That's very good on Nasdaq. I like this. S&P 500. Ah, that's nice. Nice. Which time frame? See, on the S&P, the price didn't. Oh. Now also that one that I was looking on a different time frame. S&P also came right at this resistance and selling off. 5 minutes. Nice. Also this one retraced at 50%. Nice, both S&P, Nasdaq are doing great. Now on the Nasdaq we have this low volume area here based on the volume profile and volume analysis. This one here. Amazing. Yes, just went short on Nasdaq. Perfect, perfect. I'm also short on the sorry, on the S&P you went short. I'm also short on Nasdaq here. This low volume area it's gonna get filled, and we hope that the price will drop further. Oh, if we're gonna get a bearish engulfing here, we're gonna push nicely to the downside. Yeah, it's coming. Bearish engulfing in the house. Whoa, bearish engulfing in the house within a downtrend. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see continuation. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Here is the time. Low volume area got filled. Now we want to see the sellers. Ah, come on, come on. Ah, come on, come on. Push sellers, come on. Come on, let's go. Push sellers, push. For God's sake, come on, what are you doing there? Come on. Buyers are so weak, come on. We can see it from the candlesticks. We can see it from the candlesticks, come on. Gold, still very bearish. And the euro, oh, the euro is nice. The euro is going down nicely. No, I didn't take any trades on gold. Finally. So another area now. We want to see a flash to the downside. Come on, sellers, come on, sellers. We are waiting for you. Come on. Show some love to traders who sold you today. Come on. Yes. Woohoo! Guys, next week I will bring a cash machine to pull down the the handle. Or I will find that noise, the click click thing. I'm managing my trades from the phone. Oh my goodness. No, I closed the trade right here at support. I'm not into the trade anymore. I see happy faces here. A lot of smiles today. Huh? A lot of smiles. Let's go, let's go. Okay, guys, I think it's time to end this webinar, or this live session, although I would love to stay for more, but I have some obligations to do with trading, some coaching. So I will see you tomorrow all. I wish you to have an incredible day and profitable rest of the day. If you're going to be around, I'll just keep an eye on the markets. Just in case you didn't join our community yet, feel free to join it. The links are in the description below here. Also, tomorrow we're gonna have the FOMC minutes and it's gonna be crazy day. So take care everyone, God bless you, and we're gonna see each other tomorrow again. Bye for now.